Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X5 steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the front wheels perfectly straight. This crucial step prevents issues with steering alignment later. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait a full 10 minutes. This allows the airbag system to safely power down, preventing accidental deployment during the process. Now let's tackle the airbag. Find the two small access holes, usually on the back or sides of your steering wheel. Using a T30 Torx driver or a small flathead screwdriver, carefully push inward through each hole to release the airbag's retaining clips. Once loose, gently pull the airbag forward and disconnect its two electrical connectors. Remember to store the airbag safely, face up, away from your immediate workspace. With the airbag safely removed, it's time for the steering wheel itself. Before loosening anything, mark the wheel's position on the steering shaft to ensure correct reinstallation. Now, use a 16mm socket and a breaker bar to loosen the large center bolt. Leave the bolt partially threaded for safety. Gently rock the steering wheel to break it free from the splines, then remove the bolt and carefully slide the wheel off. As you prepare for reassembly, ensure the clock spring behind the wheel remains centered. When reinstalling, align your previously made marks on the steering shaft. Tighten the main steering wheel bolt to 63 Nm for proper security. Reconnect all electrical connectors, including the airbag, ensuring no wires are pinched. Finally, reconnect your battery and thoroughly test all steering wheel functions, including the horn and any controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.